everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and tonight I'm taking advantage of this gorgeous weather and the extension of daylight, and I'm going to get some onion starts planted. Now, my main goal here is to help prevent animals from browsing in this border, and onions and garlic are really great options that are, visually they're beautiful. It's a really practical harvest. And it helps deter in-ground animals like voles, as well as above-ground animals like deer and rabbits. So I got these starts from Bell's Seed Store down in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And this is actually my favorite way to start onions because it's really the fastest way. So let me show you exactly how I'm gonna do this in under 5 minutes. All right, this process is almost offensively easy. I'm just gonna take my mattock and make a nice long, not too deep of a trench. And then I'm just gonna take the onion starts and set them right up into the soil, plumb them in. Basically the exact same thing that I do to garlic, but these are already starting to grow. And I'm planting them about 1 inch apart. And then once you have them planted, you can literally just push the soil back up around them. They don't need to be planted very deep. And you're finished. So now I'm going to go ahead and plant this entire line. That way I've got my first line of defense against those animals. And just like that, in a matter of just a few minutes, I was able to get a whole line of onions planted and enjoy a fabulous spring sunset. Well, I hope you'll be inspired by this video and go out and buy some onion starts and plant them along a bed edge. It's first of all one of the easiest parts of your landscape to access because it's right along the edge. And let these onions work for you and allow them to help deter those browsing animals that come in and eat all of your other ornamental plants. Well, I hope you found this to be helpful. Please give me a like. Be sure to subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel for more practical gardening advice right here from my Zone 7 Central North Carolina garden. As always, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Happy planting.